Hello student, welcome to the computer class. Today we'll study lesson number 4 using the keyboard. So let's start. This is a keyboard. We use a pencil or a pen to write in our notebook. Same, we need a keyboard to type anything on a computer. There are 3 types of keys on a keyboard. Alphabet keys, number keys and special keys. So let's start. It has many small buttons called keys. A keyboard has in total 104 keys, 104 keys, which include letters, numbers, symbols or words written on each of its keys. The keyboard helps us to type letters on words on the computer. The cursor. The cursor is a blinking line on the computer which can be controlled by the mouse. It tells us the position from where we should start typing. Now next, the different type of keys on the keyboard. First, alphabet keys. The keyboard has total 26 alphabet keys on them. Look, Q, W, E, R, T. There are total 26 alphabet keys. It helps us to type letters or words on the computer. Let's start typing. C O M P U T E R. Computer. Now next, number keys. On the keyboard there are numbers from 0 to 9 keys. These keys are called number keys. The number keys also have some special characters on them. They can be used in a combination of with the shift key. Let's start some numbers typing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These keys are called arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor toward the left, right, up or down. Now next, function keys. The top most row on the keyboard from F1 to F12 are called the function key. Look, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. These keys are called function keys. These keys are used for special kind of job or task on the computer. Next, the special keys. First is enter key. The enter key is most important key on the keyboard. When you press enter, look at the cursor. The cursor goes to the next line. There are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. Look, first enter key and here second enter key. Now next, space bar key. These keys are called space bar keys. The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to add space between 2 words while typing a sentence. Look at the example. R-I-A Riya, B-H-T-I-A Riya Bhatia. Look the name given on the left. See how it looks without a space. Now we use the space bar key. Now RIA, Riya. Now here we need a space between Riya and Bhatia. We press the space bar key. Look, Bhatia. After Riya and see the result. Riya, Bhatia. Now next, caps lock key. Caps lock key allow us to type in capital letters on the computer when it is on. Look here, COMPUTER, computer. This alphabet in small letter. Now press caps lock key. Now start typing. Look, COMPUTER. Look at this alphabet. These words are in capital letter. We use the caps lock key to type in capital letters. Now next, backspace key. This key is used to erase or delete a letter, word to the left of the cursor. When we use these keys, look the example, we can erase the letter. Look, now next, shift key. Shift key help us to use a special characters on the keyboard when we use in a combination. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. First shift key and here second shift key. I am going to use all the keys and types a sentence. My caps lock. NAM. Wrong. Now we use the backspace key. Look, my name is. Now we need capital letter, so we press caps lock key. Rinku. Now we need small letter, so we again press caps lock key. Look here, INKU. My name is Rinku. Now I want second line, so I press enter. Look, I hope students will understand the use of the keyboard. Thank you.